welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this Women's Day card. First we'll fold the cardstock. And see, I have taken this 14 by 21, so I'll fold this into half in this manner, and I will draw 8 on this. We'll cut the outline. We'll cut this to part full. See, I have cutted this. Now we'll not cut this part here and this part, this much part, and rest we'll cut it with this cutter. Just cut it. See, I have cutted this. Now when we open this type of 8 comes. So now we'll stick this on this cardstock. Let's glue it. We'll apply glue here, just on the lines, and this full paper. Don't apply glue in this which we have cutted the 8. Just press here and here and here. So this 8 will pop up in this manner. Just press this edges here. This one. See how beautiful this looks. And now we'll write here the sentiments with the red sketch pen. 8th, so we'll write here March. See, 8th March. And we'll write Happy Women's Day here. See, I have written this March 8th, Women's Day, and just open this in this manner. So this is 3D8, and if you want to decorate, you can decorate as a border, but I will keep it as simple as this. So I hope you enjoy my video. You can write the sentiments also in. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.